southern Granville County, northeastern Wake County, south-quarter-side hail, Franklin County, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of Creedmoor, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roads, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Durham, Creedmoor, Lewisburg, Wake Forest, Butler, Cleveland, Franklin, and Magdale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Durham, Franklin, Granville, and Wake. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Warren County, northwestern Harnett County, Lee County, southwestern Wake County, Chatham County until 6:15 p.m. At 5:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sailor City, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard,
well, now NOAA Weather is back up. They had the same problems with my internet too.
Radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Cary, Sanford, Pittsboro, Wilmington, Siler City, Fuquay Marina, Antier, Goldston, and Apex. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Chatham, Harnett, Lee, Moore, and Wake.